learn some colors and shapes. Green color, pink color, dark pink color, light yellow color, olive green color, yellow color, pink color, maroon color, sea green color, sky blue color, purple color, black color, orange color, blue color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Circle. Triangle. Pentagon. Star. Square. Semicircle. Let's paint the shape. Orange color. Circle. Circle. Orange color. Green color. Triangle. Triangle. Green color. Pink color. Pentagon. 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 Dark pink color. Light pink color. Star. 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 Light pink color. Purple color. Square. Square. Purple color. Light yellow color. Semicircle. Semicircle. Light yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Dark pink color. Light pink color. Purple. Light yellow color. Circle. Triangle. Pentagon. Star. Square. Semicircle. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.